Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mazda CX-5 versus Qashqai. We'll dive into their performance, interior features, and overall value to help you decide which compact SUV best fits your lifestyle and needs. Get ready for a detailed breakdown of what each vehicle offers, ensuring you make an informed choice for your next ride. When it comes to performance, the Mazda CX-5 often boasts more powerful engine choices, including a robust 2.5-liter turbocharged option delivering up to 256 horsepower. This contributes to its sportier, more engaging driving feel. The Nissan Qashqai, on the other hand, focuses on efficiency with its mild hybrid and e-Power hybrid systems, offering a smoother, more comfortable ride, especially in urban settings. It's a trade-off between raw power and refined efficiency. Inside, the Mazda CX-5 impresses with its upscale cabin, often featuring premium materials and a refined design that feels more luxurious. It offers good passenger space and up to 59.3 cubic feet of cargo volume with the rear seats folded down. The Nissan Qashqai provides a practical and comfortable interior with a user-friendly 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen and ample room for 5. Its cargo capacity is around 504 liters, which is competitive for its class. Both SUVs offer excellent safety features. The Mazda CX-5 includes iActiveSense registered safety technology, with systems like Smart City brake support and lane departure warning. The Nissan Qashqai comes with Safety Shield 360, featuring intelligent emergency braking and rear cross-traffic alert, earning a 5-star safety rating. Ultimately, the CX-5 appeals to those seeking a premium, sporty drive, while the Qashqai excels in comfort, efficiency, and modern tech. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals we've mentioned. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, making healthy eating simple and convenient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.